A real future trader build consistency. In this video, I'm going to show you my daily breakdown, how I trade live, what do I do, and also introduce you to our new Whoop channel and our Discord community. My name is Ben. I'm a future trader and I'm the founder of Vessel Futures Trading. Very happy to broadcast live today, not only from the Discord channel, but the Whoop channel. Those of you who does not are familiar with the channel, yesterday we launched it. So congratulations to us, and I hope you find value in this channel as well. Of course, we'll stream daily live from this channel as well. So those of you who does not tuned to this channel yet, I will put links in the description box, also show you a bit of the channel. If it's possible, where can you find basically the subscription for the Discord and for our courses. Want to dive in the teaching. Today we're going to talk about the oil contract, the crude, understand how we can swing trade it, and maybe how we can get to a position within the day. Of course, we're always looking at the bird's eye view. I want to say good morning to my Discord community as usual. I want to say thank you and welcome to the new traders who joined the server. It's a pleasure to see the server grow. Also would love and appreciate, of course, if you guys can hop on the Whoop, my trading community, on the Discord, where we trade daily live, see the action going on in the group and the methodologies and the winning and the sharing. It's a pleasure to see you guys sharing in the groups. So thank you for that, and let's keep on grow together, educate ourselves together. Of course, those of you who took the courses already and are in the private rooms, I highly appreciate everything that you guys do to make this community grow, and very happy with your success. Let's talk today about the crude oil. So let me show you how I do it live, basically how I make a decision, where I'm into, what am I doing, how we take even decision with dealing with this specific contract. Looking at the first thing, we're gonna look on the oil contract on a bird's eye view. We understand where the price hit now. We understand that basically the crude oil was basically charging energy over here towards a bigger move, and we saw basically all the way up to here we had a huge drop, which created for us a demand area over here. And ever since the beginning of the war in the Middle East, we see how the prices jumps up all the way and now make a correction towards down and started to show us signs of an uptrend. How do we know there's an uptrend? We see basically this new high is being breaking, and we're going towards our short move within the day, which we're going to talk about soon enough. And we're going to still look for the long position if possible to enter to swing trade it as well. So this is basically, we were always trying to read the map accordingly from the bird's eye view, understand where is the trend today, how we can swing trade if we want, where we can basically, which position we're going to favor today. I'm going to go to the 4 hours interval. When the 4 hours interval, it looks a bit more naked to the eye, where we can basically get these positions down. We see how the within the day, the so-called the higher interval of the day create for us a couple of demand pools over here. This is the major demand pool. Obviously, we already see that there is a major supply pool on the top, and we always know when the price basically reaches from a major area, it's going to try to achieve to get to the next major area. So we see a drop over here and charge of energy that we saw before, and the price keep climbing up within the 4 hours interval. It looks like we're in an uptrend, so we're gonna trying to favor the long position within the 4 intervals if we wanna swing trade. So just for this specific example, I want to show you how does it look if we're gonna long position it within the 4 hours interval. Basically, what we're looking to see is we're looking to see the price enters over here to this demand pool and basically make a correction towards upward. We're going to try to stretch it all the way up to this major area, basically risking almost 1500 to making 18,500. And the risk ratio over here, if we put it in the good perspective and the right perspective, it looks like exactly a ratio of 14. Means that for every dollar that you put in risk, you're gonna gain $14, which is basically amazing result. This is something they're trying to achieve when you string trade. The minimum should be about 1 to 5 or 1 to 8. If it's 1 to 14, of course, to maximize the position is always an art, but we are still trying to analyze within the day, if we want to day trade it, where we can basically take the position. So a little bit patterns for us to understand what's going on over here. We see how the price dropped, accumulating energy in this area right here, and then uptrend, and then we see how the sellers get into the picture. We're still in an uptrend. We see basically how the price create for us a demand pull right here. Basically this is second entry over here. We see how the price slowly climbing up. So what we want to see again, as I said before, the price will hit this area again and flip in reverse. On the alter side, it's going to reach the second pull and then alter in reverse, flip in reverse. So we already got two positions within the day. I'm sorry, I'm going to cancel this thing. And this as far as where we go, we understand over here, right here in this area, we see how the price turned from a short position to a long position. Why is that? We see how this price, basically the candle over here, breaks the top of this candle and started an uptrend. So we can favor the long position within the 4 hours interval. Let us seek a short position if possible within the day. We're gonna go to the 50 minutes interval. With the 50 minutes interval, we understand where the price relies. Right now we want to see, basically we're gonna activate a profile, the day and the night profile, to understand where the opportunity relies. We see right now the day profiles. This is the previous day profiles, which is basically marked at a reddish yellowish color. Of course, we have over here the new profile being built as we speak. Now it's 10:13. We still not enter a position. We want to make sure that the initial balance range is already set up. Initial balance range would be this white line right here, basically symbolize where the day can, within the day, where can the price hit and expand towards. As long as the is a wide initial balance, we understand that the price will basically not fluctuate too much. If it's a short one, it can fluctuate a lot. So if we're looking to a short position, of course, we want to see the price reaching this area right here, this candle right here, which is almost there, and from here to either short position towards the limit order that we station right here, because we still understand within the 50 minutes interval we're in the short mind position. Why is that? It's obviously been seen over here. There's a pattern being formed, basically coming here from the second touch. From this is first touch, create for us a supply area, accumulation of energy, and then a drop, base, drop, base, and a drop. So we're gonna look for the short position over here. We're gonna see this price basically creating a new drop for a new base for us, and we're looking for it to get dropped towards the pool, which is basically synchronized with the long position that we station over here for the 4 hours interval. So we can short position it from here all the way down. Just to put a example over here, if we're gonna take two contracts over here and try to position it right here towards the pool, we're talking about within the day, we're risking $1,000 and making almost $2,700. We're gonna station it right here, and we're gonna look where the price gonna fluctuates within the day. So we're also gonna activate the night profile. We want to see why we activate the night profile. We want to see basically where the price was closing before it start. Basically, we see the close point right here. We see basically that the profile had a short tip. We understood that basically according to the short tip, the price can expand, but coming from demand as well, I understand that the price can basically go down. We see how basically right here we see a huge push downwards from an institutional buyer. We understand that basically institutional buyer want to take the price down. The price is closing over here and started basically the position right here, and do a test drive, we can see basically the price is climbing up from this point, and we already see that it started to slowly crawl back to this position over here, take our position, our limit order, going downwards within the day. So what we see right now, it's again 1016. It's the initial balance range was not set up yet. It looks like it's starting to be formed right here. It's the D shape. D shape is relatively easier shape to trade. Basically, every time the price reaches low and high and low value area, we're gonna short and long it according to the area, which is relatively very quick and very easy trade. So those are the position within the day. Of course, we're gonna cover it daily, and as always, as I'm saying in my Discord channel, I'm gonna mention this and the whoop as well. This is just our trending ideas. This is not substitution for financial advice. Of course, if you are ready to stop guessing and start trading for real and understand how to trade, how to read the map correctly, and how basically to get benefits from the market. If you want to create consistency, if you want to understand the methodologies, and always if you want to be part of the team that actually trades in a community which is refined, where there's traders are actively trade and share knowledge. Of course, I'm gonna attach the links in the description box and also in the bio for the Whoop channel and for the Discord. Join the Discord. At this point is completely free. It's not gonna last that long until the community is gonna be formatted completely, which is coming here in a very huge steps. We are looking to get monthly subscription from those channels. Of course, just the idea of it is to keep the community clean and refined with the traders that have been actively trade. So jump in it as long as it's for free. We're always gonna keep the live trending chat for free. We always have within the Discord private channels for those who purchase the subscriptions. They can basically get to a more exclusive room and more details, Monday kickoffs, special charts, reading, watch list, copy trade, etc. So jump on it while you can. Of course, jump on the Whoop. I want to show you basically how the Whoop is built. If I can, I'm gonna try to show you this channel as well in a quick sec. I'm not sure it's been shown. Just quick second. Let me see if it's possible. So this is the Whoop channel. So you can see this Whoop right now. I'm gonna show you how does it look basically within the Whoop. Not possible right now. I will share with you in the description box. This is how it looks like right here. They can see basically the course has been offered online. This is basically the essential, most basic package. We can basically see how the models over here. Of course, it goes one by one. You have the approach for the Discord channel, of course, the previous and the exclusive chat for our community, and the announcement that is going to be broadcasting live daily over here. As I mentioned before, if you're ready to stop guessing, jump on the Whoop. Take a look at the course. I'm also going to add a promo code for those of you who wanted to purchase this course. These are very affordable prices. And of course, it's always, as I'm signing in my Discords and my other channels in the YouTube and other channels, I'm gonna always wish you a successful training, and I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.